Your girl has gotten drenched so many times. Hold on, Langston. I didn't say we was floating. Never disappoints. Wings and fries. What's up, family? So we are in New Orleans. We have made it to the zoo. Gonna have a good time, go see some animals. You ready to have fun, Langston?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get into it. Elephants and lions. Right. What up, fam? We immediately got hooked up at the playground, so don't know how long he'll want to be here for. Hopefully we'll move on, either go see the animals or go to the cool zoo, because he done made him a little friend over there, and now he is, and I'm gonna have to be yanking him from here. But whatever, as long as he's having a good time, I'm with it. Show his hide. I'm gonna be whipping out my fans sooner than later. Well, y'all, first he said he didn't want to go.
Oh my head.
First he said he didn't want to go to the cool zoo, but he changed his mind. So we've grabbed our tickets and we are headed to the water.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get into it. What's up, guys? We have had a great day. As you can imagine, not many pictures, not much filming because it's water. Everything is water, water, water. But I'm gonna take you guys around a little bit. Your girl has gotten drenched so many times. Hold on, Langston. I didn't say we was floating. And I'll show you guys a little bit of the cool zoo. So there's a lazy river. Pretty cool. We had a nice time on the lazy river. And then there's this food place here. Come on, Link, let's go see what they got. What is shaking over here. So it's called Gator Bites. I want to go see what's on the menu. Did you have fun? Yeah. What you got?
Masita.
Ooh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Around 4:30, guys, they turned all the water off on this, but lots of splashing and water and splash pads, all these water slides. You can see the elephants over there in the back. So yeah, it was pretty nice. So we're gonna head to our locker, get changed up, and then head to the car. The elephants, guys. Had to run over here and come see those elephants. Asian elephants. You shaking on there?
Yeah.
What you gonna do? Fly one more time? Cause it's about time to go.
Okay.
Of course we had to stop at the park one more time because whew, why would he let me just make it out of here? Where is Langston? Come on. Hi. Come on, man. Trying to leave out of here is the longest process, y'all. what's up, fam? So we made it back to the car. Yeah, I don't know, time to get some real food and move on with our little day, baby. We stayed here, we closed the zoo down, you hear me? Yeah, you know that we stayed till they closed. You had fun? All right, well, the zoo is closed. Well, we had fun. My baby wish it was longer. We are made it to Manchu. So yeah, y'all, we made it over here to Manchu. I'll be saying Manchu, they be saying Manchu, whatever. That's the Lafayette versus the New Orleans accent, I guess. But yeah, needed some chicken wings and fries, you feel me? Never disappoints. Wings and fries. Me and Langston gonna get into it. What you got, thank you?
This one.
Green apple one.
Green apple.
About to snack in the parking lot for a minute. Bye. So what is up, fam? Yeah, we grabbed us some chicken from Manchu, like I showed y'all earlier, and you know, we went to eat us some chicken by the riverbank, chilled out for a minute, had to make me a plan for the next 2 days, and I had to get somebody to water my garden, you know what I'm saying? So my baby girl gonna take care of it, because baby, I'm gonna have to show y'all my plants. I'm gonna have to make a little at-home video or whatever. But yeah, my tomato girls and my herbs and my peppers and my cucumbers, my booze, I don't want them to be dehydrated on me. So anyway, yeah, and then, you know, now we're all settled into the hotel room. Gonna call it a night. I hope that you guys enjoyed the quick little vlog at the cool zoo. I had been wanting to take Langston, so now we finally got to be at the cool zoo. So yeah, we are on Canal Street. I want to stay in the city tonight. We had been on the North Shore for a little while, so yeah, we in the city. Gonna have us a good little night, but yeah, it is definitely time for a shower. I need to wash my hair, all that good stuff, and we'll get settled in. So we are at the Hampton Inn and Suites on Canal Street. So yeah, I don't know what all the rooms look like. This is the room I got a little living area or whatever, a little sofa over here, and then ooh, that's that old lady get out the house. Yeah, our bedroom. Yeah, so we got a little bathroom, closet or whatever, another TV. And yeah, that's what it is. So peace. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell a friend, be a friend, share a video, share my profile. Hey. Yeah, so you know, oh yeah, your girl was giving tropical today. Little thigh, little midriff dress or whatever, little dress, little cover for my swimsuit. Yeah, that's 2 days in a row in some water in the sun and all that good stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna let y'all decide, you know, because I've been trying to get me a tan. I don't know how it's working out for me, but anyway, bye for real. See y'all later. Good morning, babes. Mom is tired. All we got was a little wash and bun. That's what it's gonna be for the next couple of days or whatever. Water activities for several days in a row has your girl beat, finally making it out of the hotel at checkout time, off to the next adventure. I will have to say that my boy is most definitely enjoying his summer adventures. So, you know, that's what's up. That's all that matters. Mom will keep dragging on.